Hello beauties, my name is SHWETAVIJAY and welcome back to my channel. Today my house is a very noisy household, okay? So my in-laws are here, they're playing with my baby outside. Those are the toy noise that you can hear, so we shall just ignore that. But today I'm going to be talking about another facial oil. You guys know that I kickstarted the series last week speaking about rosehip seed oil, and a lot of you loved that video. Got to know about, the very snobbish rosehip seed oil. Well, it's not snobbish actually, it's she's got a little bit of an edge, but she's beautiful. Okay, so if you really want to know about rosehip seed oil, click the link right above my head or go to the information bar where all information in regards to previous videos, brand codes, lipstick I'm wearing, everything else is below this video. Alright, under the last video the comments were please talk about hemp seed oil, jojoba and squalane. So if there is a facial oil that is going to suit your face type, then these are the videos for you. So let's just start about the beauty of squalane. So this oil is a beautiful, no fuss, low maintenance oil with high efficacy power. Alright, so it's an oil that is going to suit each and every skin type. For example, even if you have acne prone skin, usually what happens is when you have a little bit of a breakout, you've got these tiny bumps. Now I know a lot of people suffer from cystic acne, and if you are suffering from cystic acne, I hope you're not taking the advice of us YouTubers and you're going for professional help. Cystic acne actually requires prescription kind of medicines, okay? So these spot correctors and preventive medicines actually require something more hydrating. So what really happens is many people tend to forget to put a lot of hydrators on top of it. Yes, even an oily acne prone skin requires hydration. This is the kind of oil that I would suggest to those people because, like I said, it is a no fuss oil. It is not going to aggravate a sensitive skin. In fact, this is the oil that is suitable for a sensitive skin. A squalane is one of the most non-irritating, non-greasy, very super light oil that is suitable for each and every skin type. Even for someone who wears a retinol or retinoid, I would highly suggest a squalane oil to go on top of it. It's a very versatile oil, but a lot of people do not know the difference between squalene and squalane. Squalene as in S-Q-U-A-L-E-N-E and squalane S-Q-U-A-L-A-N-E. Squalene is a fatty molecule that is found in our skin. Basically, squalene is generated by our oil glands itself to hydrate and moisturize our skin. So what it really does is it helps skin restore its natural moisture, it hydrates the skin, it protects the natural barrier of the skin, and squalene does improve the skin on a cellular level. Sadly, squalene tends to decline as we age. Like many other processes, you guys, collagen, antioxidants, the moment we hit 30 and above, it kind of depletes from our system. Baby skin all the way to teenagers have got plenty of it, but sadly we need a little bit more work and a little bit punch by just adding those, like how we add those antioxidants, we need to add a good squalane as well. So what we have in our body, what we have in our skin, what you find in shark liver, what you find in various plants is all squalene, L-E-N-E, okay? Basically it is something that used to be derived from shark liver, okay, and that wasn't sustainable. That was a very barbaric way of going about with it. Thankfully medicines have advanced. Researchers have found an ethical way of deriving squalene, and that is from plants, okay? So olives is rich in squalene. There is wheat germ, there's rice bran, and there's sugarcane, and olive is really rich in squalene. So that is why you would see most of your squalane oils back in the ingredient list saying that it is derived from olives. What happens is in its natural state it's quite unstable, so what they have to do, they have to put it through a saturation process, okay? They have to hydrogenate it, basically combining hydrogen into it, and then it becomes shelf stable. So the stable oil is called squalane, okay, and that is the ingredient that is introduced in all your skincare, in your facial oils, in your moisturizers, in your cleansers. Because it becomes stable, that is why this is the oil that you can apply even in the morning. Most facial oils are not suitable for a country like India because of its extreme heat and humidity, because some delicate oils really undergo an oxidization when they're exposed to heat, but this squalane oil just doesn't do that, you guys. It's really stable. Squalane I'm talking about. That is why it's not as snobbish as the rosehip oil, okay, which is a night skincare routine. This is quite skin friendly and you can use it over everything. If you're wearing your actives, it's highly compatible with Squalane. Even a few drops of Squalane into your water-based moisturizer really works. This also goes well with its chemical counterpart that is also found in our skin, and that is hyaluronic acid. Because you know that hyaluronic acid, if you do not moisturize on top of it, if it's not put on top of anything that is damp or anything that is hydrating, then it kind of like draws out the moisture out of your skin. And a Squalane is something that will be very, very compatible to be put along with a hyaluronic acid. Even if you put a vitamin C, if that is the only active, like for example, I love a vitamin C in the morning, I like to apply a Squalane right after that as well. It's such a beautiful oil, okay? You can then wait for about 10 minutes and then apply your sunscreen. You can apply it on its own, you can mix it with different actives, you can mix it with your moisturizer, you can apply this as your last step in your skincare. Whatever it is, it's just going to benefit you. It's got that hydrating power, it's got that ultra moisturizing effect, and it's also got anti-aging benefits. It's non-comedogenic, it just doesn't clog the pores. This oil is perfect for people who suffers from eczema, psoriasis, from redness, extreme dry skin. Like I said, you have combination normal, including oily skin, acne prone. This is also something that you could apply. It's also an oil that is fantastic for mature skin, for anyone that has gone through pollution damage or sun damage. And the most important factor is it prevents water loss from our skin, which is very, very important. This actually just is the most important factor for any anti-aging oil, any anti-aging product. It's so compatible on our skin only because the molecule of it is easily understood by our skin, because we anyway have it naturally. There's this time frame for many other oils, like for example, I said a rosehip seed oil usually takes about 3-4 months. But with a Squalane oil, you tend to see a difference immediately. Okay, within a month you will see that glow, you will see that luminosity. I've come across many Squalane oils. The 3 that I have absolutely enjoyed here in India, one is from INDULGEO. I can't find it, you guys, but it's a Squalane oil that I really enjoy. Beautiful oil. Now the second one is Minimalist. It's beautiful. It's another 100% Squalane oil. No irritants, no fragrance like the other one. It's so gentle on the skin, but I feel that the one from Minimalist is slightly more thicker. The most nourishing, super light Squalane oil I have come across is from SUGANDA. She has nailed it, okay? There is nothing irritating in this. No essential oils, no fragrance. It's just pure Squalane oil, and this is such an excellent oil. You guys, I'm not sponsored to say this. This is just an educational kind of a video. You want to buy it, you don't want to buy it, I'm just giving you 3 beautiful oils. Go according to the brand that you resonate with. I've got a discount code with this one. If you want to use it, then please do. I also got a discount code with INDULGEO also, so you can use that in case you want to buy from INDULGEO. But for me, in my opinion, this oil from SUGANDA, she has absolutely nailed it. You can apply this plain on your face. You know, the days that you don't want to apply any skincare product, you want to give your skin a complete break from everything, from moisturizers, from actives, from toners, from mist, you can just apply this on its own. If you want that glow to your skin early morning, you can just take this and apply it on the high points of your cheeks, and it gives you this glow like as if you worn a highlighter. At times I even apply this right on top of my lips, and it gives me this very glossy oil kind of a sheen, okay, without that non-sticky feeling. There are many times I just wear this on top of my lipstick, and a lot of you have asked me, what gloss are you wearing? It's just this 100% Squalane from SUGANDA that I've been wearing. Super, super light. You can even apply 2 or 3 drops with your foundation if you've got a foundation that dries you up. So as you can see, I've worn this on top of my lipstick, but many a times I don't wear a lipstick and I just apply this on my lips, and it gives me that shine, that gloss like shine, okay? So which is so perfect. Such a beautiful lip oil, you know, very, very moisturizing. I even like to take a little bit of this and apply it on my scalp and on my strands also, and you should just see the shine that it gives your hair. It's such a beautiful oil. But if you're looking out for a gentle cleanser, okay, to double cleanse both the times, which I feel is completely unnecessary, but if you are that sort of a person, then the Squalane cleanser from The Ordinary is also pretty good. So if you are somebody who's confused about starting the regime of a facial oil, you want to introduce facial oil into your system and you don't know where to start, what to start off with, a Squalane is a great start point. You want to apply an niacinamide, you want to apply your BHA, go ahead, do it. You find a little irritation, apply Squalane oil. And even if you have someone young in the family, I'm talking about a teenager, it could be your daughter, son, your sister who's in their teens and they're looking out for a very good hydrating emollient, okay, hydrating oil to put on their skin, you know, just to give that benefits and that hydration to moisturize their face, then you can, with your eyes closed, introduce them to Squalane. So I have advised a lot of you to start using Squalane, and I know many of you who have started, who hates the feeling of facial oil, has completely loved this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope to see you soon in my next, and until later, bye for now.